HSBC has collapsed -5.10% to $1,321, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 4th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Risk-off sentiment is gripping markets today. This comes as us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead, TradingKey.com, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by -0.74%, at $7,553.68. Equity markets are responding to reports that invest, S&P 500, NASDAQ hit records as tech stocks surge on REECX.org. NASDAQ 100 is trading lower by -0.29%, at $30,571. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE chip stocks climb as Broadcom earnings approach, go trade. Dow Jones dipped -1.21% to $50,687. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Tech stocks rise as Snowflake surges after $6 billion Amazon deal and strong earnings, the motley fool. DAX edged higher +0.53% to $24,928. This comes as us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead, TradingKey.com, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 slipped -0.46% to $10,285. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. HSBC made a dramatic move today, plunged -5.10% to $1,321. Investor sentiment is being shaped by HSBC annual profit beats consensus, lifts key targets. Meta made a dramatic move today, surged +4.24% to $622.98. Investor sentiment is being shaped by is Meta's RE business agent and dividend shift altering the investment case for Meta platforms, Meta? Simplywall.st. Nvidia plunged -3.62% to $214.75 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nvidia Corporation, NVDA, stock price, news, quote and history, Yahoo Finance. BHP plunged -3.25% to $62.80 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by BHP profit beats forecasts as copper tops iron ore earnings on oil-driven demand. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead, TradingKey.com, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Tech stocks rise as Snowflake surges after $6 billion Amazon deal and strong earnings, the motley fool. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $95.73 per barrel, down 2.13% on the session. The move follows reports that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead, TradingKey.com. WTI crude dropped sharply to $94.21 per barrel, down 1.89% on the session. The move follows reports that us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead, TradingKey.com. Natural gas edged higher to $3.23, up 0.62% on the session. This comes as us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead, TradingKey.com, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold edged higher to $4,498.20 per troy ounce, up 1.39% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand. Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on HSBC. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for HSBC is around $1,241.74. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.06% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.13% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.86, losing 0.07% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.